Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and we're gonna unlock the phone. Once we unlock the phone, we're gonna go into the settings, and in these settings, we are on the main page. We're gonna go to Wi-Fi, and first we're gonna turn it off and turn it on. I know that it sounds weird, but it is the easiest fix. Now, if it still did not help, we're gonna click on the save network, tap on it, and click forget. Now we want to add the network again just by entering the password, and now we're gonna click check mark, and we're back and connected. So if you have any issues here, as you guys can see, we have the Wi-Fi preferences. Make sure that you disable switch to mobile data automatically, and that's basically what are we gonna do. Now the next thing we're gonna do is we're simply scrolling all the way down to system. Here, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and swipe down to reset options. Here we're gonna reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Click reset, and after you reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and it's still if it still did not help, we're gonna swipe to system. Also go to system update and click check for updates. You want to make sure that you're on the latest version. It's very important, and that's basically it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.